Many of them were killed, many of them, their property was stolen. And in Mecca, 13 years, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the Quran was telling the believers, كُفُّوا أَيْدِيَكُمْ. Don't fight back. Don't do anything that will scrutinize or jeopardize your safety. So the Quraysh took their property, the Quraysh bullied them, and believers were told, كُفُّوا أَيْدِيَكُمْ. You're not ready for the fight. Then the believers migrated from Mecca to Medina, and they now have a stronger community. They have a small army. At that point, the Battle of Badr took place. 313 believers defeated the Quraysh army, which was 1,000 people, subhanAllah. And that was unheard of in all of Arabia. A small army, barely equipped, barely have the means to survive, defeating the Quraysh. And I want you to think about this battle when you hear about the battle between Al-Haq and Al-Batil in Palestine, in other parts of the world. You know, small minority, small, weak community, staying strong, staying resilient in the face of the oppression.
Watch the full video on our channel, Al Huda Mosque.